Hi everybody, in this video I will be going over the Understand Your Learning questions from the Atomic Structure and Periodic Table unit. Let's start with number 1. If an atom gains 2 electrons, what does it become? So let's look at a neutral atom first. Here's a very primitive drawing of a neutral atom, and inside of that atom we might have some positive and negative charges, but all of them cancel each other out. There's a 1-to-1 ratio of positive to negative charge. So we will call this atom neutral because the net charge is 0. So what happens when we have 2 negatively charged electrons and we add those to this neutral atom? Well, there are 2 negative charges that are unaccounted for, so they're not canceled out anymore by an equivalent positive charge, which means we're going to end up having a -2 charge overall. And when an atom acquires a charge, its name changes to an ion. And there are 2 kinds of ions. One is when you have a negatively charged ion, which is called an anion. And one is when you have a positively charged ion, and that is called a cation. So in this case, since we have a -2 charge overall, we have an anion with a -2 charge. So that is the answer to question number 1.